Live from the world's capital markets, here are the latest financial headlines brought to you by News Factory.
Hello and welcome to Thursday's Daily Financial Digest. And here's what's making the headlines in the markets today.
The Bitcoin dollar pair skyrocketed 5.2% in the last session. The ROC's positive signal is in line with the overall technical analysis. The euro dollar pair made a minor downwards correction in the last session, dropping 0.2%. The CCI is giving a negative signal, going against our overall technical analysis. The last session saw the pound drop 0.3% against the dollar. The ROC is giving a negative signal. The Aussie dollar pair saw a minor dip of 0.2% in the last session. The stochastic indicator is giving a positive signal, which matches our overall technical analysis.
And now let's hear what our chief analyst picked up for us today.
Nvidia tacked on another $28 billion in value after smashing through expectations in its latest earnings report. The company's third quarter revenue soared 206% year over year to $18.1 billion. Europe's banks face growing headwinds from loan defaults and declining lending volumes as rising interest rates put pressure on the region's financial system, the European Central Bank said. Volatile crypto markets this week have resolved to the upside, with Bitcoin pushing through $37,400 and now higher for the week, despite the exit from the scene of another major crypto figure, Changpeng CZ Zhao, who left Binance after a massive settlement.
Those were today's major economic events. And now, moving on to world financial headlines.
The French business climate in manufacturing will be released at 07:45 GMT. Japan's National Consumer Price Index at 23:30 GMT. Japan's foreign bond investment at 23:50 GMT. Japan's foreign investment in Japan stocks will be released at 23:50 GMT. New Zealand's retail sales at 21:45 GMT. Singapore's Consumer Price Index at 0500 hours GMT.
We hope that you've enjoyed Thursday's Market Outlook. On behalf of all of us here, we wish you a productive trading day. Be sure to join us tomorrow morning for the latest news and events from the financial markets.